And guys, the outcome. This is the video about the outcome of day 4. Now is day 5, but on day 5 I barely took any trades. I'll show you what I have executed. But the most interesting thing is Euro USD. As you know from my last video, I am so balls deep inside Euro USD. I buy it. Why I buy it? Because guys, I see and I believe here that the support will play out. You see here this high and this low. When you have high and low so near, there is always some bounce, but it can be here, it can be the end of this uptrend bounce. So I better close when I still have some profit, guys. And I'll show you. And I have profit because, guys, I was not afraid to add up a lot of votes here, because I knew that this is my last resort, my last hope here, this area, and after that it could fall to that area, which will be too much loss. So if I have lose in that area, I would probably have closed on big loss, but the probability of going up was really high, so it was worth the risk. Actually, guys, it's all about risking. Here is not the perfect example of risk management, sorry, but it's a good example how you should take risks when you believe in a certain level. And as you can see the RSI below, you can see that we were too much oversold, so a bounce was needed actually. But from here, it's Friday, the market will close soon, so it will cool down and it's very possible to go down again. So I'm super happy with my profit and I'm closing all of the positions. It's bad that this platform doesn't have any automatic closure of all position option, and I have to go through. And often when you are for example scalping, or you can just miss the moment by closing them manually one by one. But that's it, guys. You have to be fast with your fingers, and your phone should be fast, and your internet connection. So guys, I have profit from Euro USD and from other pair today. As you can see, $330 for today, guys. The other pair I play out today was GBP JPY. Let me show it to you what was the case there. JPY here. So guys, I don't even remember if I have sold. Maybe, let me see what was the case. So yeah, it was a sale I took in the morning, you see here. And I had also other position because it didn't go in my favor initially, and then the dog is doing something there, and then I had another position. So I have two hedge positions, as you can see, and I got on profit. I got $70 on that one, 63 minus on that one, and more 72 on that one. So I covered all of my losses and I was able to close around $70 profit on this sell. And yeah, that's pretty much very nice. And I used again here the definition that here there should be some resistance, and of course there was some resistance. And when you actually enter on some such areas, and it may not go in your favor, but you don't have to worry about this. You just wait for a little more better price and sell it again with a really twice, for example, position, or the same position, but if you want to make profit easier and faster, twice position. Of course it can go much higher and you can lose, but yeah, that's the risk. You have to take some risks and to manage your position, guys. That's what I'm trying in this account. So $330, pretty much enough. This week was very good. Let's see last week what we have made. Sorry, my internet slow here. Come on, we're under the sky outside. So it crashed now. Come on, last week. It's not the last week. Oh, you see, $1,000, guys. For 1 week I managed to make $1,000 with a 5k account. So that's pretty much 20% per week. If that continues, guys, you know that the 8th wonder of the world is this cumulative interest. So actually it will be very big gains if we continue like that. But let's see, the first target is 10k, and then of course the second and then of course 50, 100k. Let's see how big can we make this demo account, and hopefully when we have enough prove that this thing works, this strategy works in long term, we can start doing it on real account with $1,000. That's what I think I will start with. But I need to prove that I can manage my risk, manage my position, and that it's not only luck, because guys, this can be lucky positions. I have to take some hits sometimes. I mean, maybe I'll lose $1,000, $2,000 from time to time, but the idea is that in long term I should be more winning, so much more winning, that I should be able to cover such big losses. We'll see that. See you in the next video, and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, have a nice weekend.